Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Cryotos Maintenance Management Podcast. I'm your host, Bruce, and today we're delving into the essentials of effective maintenance management. We're joined by May, an expert in maintenance management and IoT applications. May, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Bruce. I'm delighted to be here.
Let's jump right in, May. In your opinion, what are the core elements of effective maintenance management?
Great question, Bruce. I'd say there are 5 key elements. Planned maintenance, predictive maintenance, reactive maintenance, performance monitoring, and continuous improvement. These elements are the backbone of a robust maintenance management system.
Interesting. Could you elaborate more on planned maintenance? Why is it so crucial?
Absolutely. Planned maintenance, or preventive maintenance, is about scheduling and conducting maintenance activities before any problems occur. This approach can save time, resources, and prevent sudden equipment downtime. It's like a regular checkup for your machines to ensure they're in good health and can perform at their best.
That sounds practical and necessary indeed. And what about predictive maintenance? How does it fit into the whole picture?
Predictive maintenance involves the use of advanced technologies like IoT, AI, and machine learning to predict potential issues before they become severe. It gives you a heads up, allowing you to address the problems during non-productive hours, minimizing the disruption.
It's like having a crystal ball for your machinery. Now, you mentioned reactive maintenance, which sounds a bit less optimal. Why is it part of the essentials?
Well, Bruce, not every issue can be foreseen. In such cases, reactive maintenance or breakdown maintenance becomes necessary. But with the help of the other elements we discussed, we can minimize reactive maintenance, which is the goal.
That makes sense. Now let's talk about performance monitoring. How is this related to maintenance management?
Performance monitoring is about regularly reviewing the performance of your maintenance activities. Key performance indicators like equipment downtime, repair time, and cost of repairs can be tracked to assess the efficiency of your maintenance strategy.
Finally, continuous improvement.
You're right, Bruce. Continuous improvement is a mindset where you always look for ways to improve your maintenance processes. It involves revisiting and revising strategies based on performance monitoring, feedback, and changing needs of the organization.
Absolutely fascinating, May. This has been an enlightening discussion on the essentials of effective maintenance management. Thanks for your time and expertise.
My pleasure, Bruce. Remember, maintenance isn't just about fixing things when they break. It's a strategic process to keep your operations running smoothly.
Well said, May. And with that, dear listeners, we're wrapping up this episode of Cryotos Maintenance Management. Stay tuned for more insightful conversations about the world of maintenance management.